add.txt not found. Guys, if you have the same issue in your AdSense account, today I will guide you how you can remove this issue. Here you can see this issue in my AdSense account is solved, and how I done it I will guide you step by step. You have to watch this complete video, never skip any part of this video, because I create 3 to 4 videos on this topic, but every time the people see, they complain about it not working, it's working or not working. But today I will guide all the step. I share 4 steps that you need to solve this issue. Guys, believe me, it's a very simple things. You have to just follow my step, and I share step by step. So let's start the video. Guys, before we start video, please if you want to learn AdSense loading, if you want to know what is the AdSense loading, if you are interested in AdSense loading, you can buy my AdSense loading course. I share multiple AdSense loading method. This is the note method. This is the things to increase CPC or the other thing. Also you can see I share different method in my AdSense loading course, so you can use those methods to increase your AdSense revenue. So let's start the video. So guys, first thing you have to do is you have to add robot.txt file in your website. No matter you are using WordPress or Blogger, you have to follow the same step. You can see the user agent. It's a simply agent that allow Google Search Console, Google Search Engine or Google bots to crawl our website. Okay, so how you can add this? So also you will get this course from my website. You can simply come to my site and you can see the article. By the way, I will share the link in description, so you can go here. Okay, so this is the code. You can see this is the code. So you have to just simply do it. Here you can see this is my website link. You have to just add your website link. You can see this code right here. I will add this from here to here. You have to add your website link right there. So like this I already added. So I will copy this code and go to my website setting. No matter it's Blogger or WordPress, you can follow the same step. And here you can see crawler and indexing. So here you can see the code I have already pasted. So you have to paste right here. If you are a Blogger user, if you are a WordPress user, you can use the same code in your website. Okay, so click to save. As I click to save, now I have to go to the second thing. Second thing is make sure, the first thing you have to make sure that the code you have to paste at the add code, you have to paste in your website theme section. It's work on Blogger or WordPress website. This code you have to paste. I'm sure that code you have to already paste, but if you not paste, you have to paste this code in your theme section. Click to edit with the HTML, and here you can see the head. Okay, just click and paste this code right here. So I will remove this code because I have already pasted here. Here you can see. Okay, now the second thing we can do is we have to add this script in our theme section. How we can do it? The first thing you have to do is you have to go to your AdSense account. Now go down, and here you can see the account. Now here you can see the setting. Click here and account information. As you click to account information, copy this code, publisher ID, and you can see this code. You can get this code from right here. Okay, that code that I working on it right now. The first code is sitemap code. The second code is a script that you have to paste in your theme section. Now just right here you have to add your publisher ID from here to here. Okay, just press control see. Okay, now simply copy this script from here to here and go to your website and go to your theme section. Under the head, you can see this head. Under the head you have to paste right here. Okay, so guys, this is how you've done this. And also, if you want my help to do this work, or you want to learn AdSense loading, AdSense arbitration, or you want to learn how you can get AdSense approval, you can contact me. My contact number is in description, also in my video intro. I hope guys you like this video. Please hit the like button. Thank you for watching this video.